Buenos dias. Good morning, warriors. Welcome to, well, right now you're technically in my office, but welcome to my home. Today we're doing a day in the life of, I am prepping before a commercial shoot. So that's why I want to take you in this morning with me before going to the shoot and share with you what I do to prep before a shoot, whether it's a commercial, whether it's a photo shoot, whether we're filming a pilot. This is my routine. So I was already up around 7. I give myself plenty of time in the morning to do my routine. And we did meditation already. We're still working on the voice this morning. We did meditation this morning already. I like to wash my face in the morning first thing. Did my 2 cups of warm lemon water. And now, coffee. Before I jump into exercise in the day, while I'm having my coffee, kind of my first thing that I do is I like to check my emails, the first round of emails, and go through any castings, check up on social media. I try not to get too overconsumed, but just enough time to get in the first round of emails that I need to do, and then onward to the day. Thanks for joining me. Hola, payaso.
Hola, payasa.
And then once I finish my first round of emails, I'm gonna go change and do a home workout here in the living space. Kind of turns like office into living space. See my yoga mat right there? So you can't forget. Take your socks off, kids, when you're practicing yoga. I wasn't expecting to edit a video this morning, but we did, so now I'm a little behind, but going to stretch a little bit before showering. Let's do this. Now, I'm gonna clean up. I already have my outfit and everything planned from yesterday. I like to plan and prep as much in advance as I can. And yep, got some stuff pulled out on the counter. Ta-ding! Show you later. Rehydrate. Time to shower. Because yeah, always be clean when you go on set. Don't be a stinky person. That's just gross. And be on time. So I've already looked up how long it'll take to get there via Uber. Always be on time to your jobs and do your advance work. It's as simple as looking up on Google Maps or Uber. So that's what we got going on. And more water. It's not always the case, but in this one they asked us to do our own hair and makeup, so that's what we're working on before before heading out the door. I like to have everything prepped for my face. Actually, I'm gonna link up there. You can see a video about the skincare tip that I do and use in a routine for prepping my face after travel, but it's also what I do before shoots. And I'm just putting some moisture in the ends of my hair. It's a little dry. We have plenty of time to prep some snacks before heading out the door. Clothes to change into, because I'm not going to wear them on the way. Mask, of course. Lip balm. Never know if you're going to need your ID. Keep your mind healthy on the road. Snacks. Always bring snacks. Charger for the phone. A little bit of makeup touch-up. Brush. Always pack my own water. And now, I'm going to review some lines before heading out. See, I'm running a little short for time, so we're going to wrap this up here. Yes, I'm going to change when I get there because they're white pants, and don't wear white pants in an Uber, you never know. You don't want to dirty up whatever clothes you have to wear on set. So, time to have definitely one more cup of coffee. So you're gonna have that, review lines, and then vamos.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Backseat and mask. We're actually filming this in a hotel. We're at the SLS in Brickell. To find the entrance, everything's closed. We're heading in. The wrong SLS, but this is why you plan ahead with extra time, because now we're walking there. It's kind of nice to get some air in. Almost there. Oh, the rabbit hole of Instagram. Okay, what's your handle?
It's at the Megan Birdie.
We're gonna tag her. This will be on YouTube first. So we're on set. I mean, we got all the pro. We got red camera. We got everything. I don't know about you, but after reading the script, I was like, I'm gonna try one of these pillowcases.
Exactly. Exactly. I want the skin. I want the hair. And then there's...
No, I was like, is this my face is breaking up? This is the trouble.
Yes.
We had a lunch break, production break. Final takes on B-roll, and then we head out. If you're booking time for your talent, make sure you're clear about the time frames and don't tell them it's 3 hours and then book them for the day. That's not nice. So that's a wrap for the day. You cannot see this. This is not how to wear a mask. Properly how to wear a mask. How most of Miami wears a mask. How you're supposed to wear a mask. See, she knows, because this is Miami. Miami was like, I got my mask on. It's like, yeah. Wear your mask up here, folks. This is a day. This is a day. Talent's tired. Talent's very tired. We were told 3 hours. We've been here all day. Talent has been patient. Okay. You can see we're smiling. Heading home. At the end of a long production day, it is two good things to come home to someone that you love, to get a nice big hug, and to my Uber driver, Luis, who said to me, "You look like a movie star." Just some people make you smile, make your day. So that's a wrap. Now we're gonna shower, take this makeup off, sin maquillaje, and eat some good food and rest up tonight because we have a big Somos Vecinos episode to prep for. Thanks for tuning in for my day in the life, following me on set today. And yeah, I don't know when and where they're gonna air this thing, but I try to stay healthy as I go along, positive, be productive, yet stick your minds. See you soon, warriors. Follow along on Instagram at Live Free Warrior. Subscribe here on my channel, Live Free TV. And we'll see you somewhere around the world on another production set or movie or plane or in the apartment.